When you copy paste a range of cells in Excel from one place to another, it is going to copy paste everything except the column width. But what if you also want the column width? Let me show you a very easy way to do this. Here I have this data set that I want to copy to sheet number 2. So I'm going to quickly select this data. Now I can copy it, so I can hold the control key and press the C key, or I can right click and then click on copy. So now this data is copied. And now if I go to sheet number 2 and I paste this data, so I use control V, or you can right click and then paste, you can see that the data has been pasted. It has also pasted the formatting, but it has not pasted the column width. So here are a couple of ways to quickly get the column width from the source data. As soon as you paste your data, you would see these paste options here at the bottom in this icon. Simply click on this, and then here you have this option called keep source column width. And when I click on this, instantly it is going to copy the column width from the source data and put it here in the pasted data. Another thing you can do is, again, let me come here and paste the data. So column width is not pasted. Go to the home tab, and here within clipboard, you have the paste option. Click on this, and again, you have the same option, keep source column width. So again, this is the second way of doing it. Let me show you two more ways. So here, let me delete this. I come here, I paste the data, and now I want the column width. So I would right click anywhere on this pasted data set, click on paste special. This opens the paste special dialog box, and here you have the column widths option. And when I click on this and then click OK, it is again going to do the same thing, paste the column width. And finally, you can use a keyboard shortcut. So you come here, you paste the data, and now if you want to paste the column width, you can use the keyboard shortcut Alt E S W. And when you use that, it is going to open the paste special dialog box and select the column width. And now when you hit enter, it is again going to give you the same column width based on the source data from where you copied it. And one last thing I want to show you is, let's say, let me delete this. I want to copy this data, but in this case, I do not want the values. I only want the column width, or let's say I only want the formatting and the column width. So I'd go to sheet 2 here, and here I'm going to right click, go to paste special. And in this case, I can choose to only copy formatting or only copy column width. If you want both formats and column width, you will have to do it one by one. So if I select formats, click OK, it only gives me the formatting, not the column width. So I go there again, right click, go to paste special, select column width. And now when I click OK, it gives me the column width as well. So this is something that I usually do when I do not want the data, but I want the exact format and column width because I'm, let's say, creating templates. So this is something again where you can only copy column width. So these are a couple of methods you can use to quickly copy and paste data as well as column width in Excel. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss out on any new Excel tips video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.